Here's a soccer proverb: to err is human, but to receive well with the foot, that's divine. Here's how to receive balls on the ground. On the field, receiving with the inside of the foot is indispensable. Done well, that means stopping the ball cleanly while also setting up your next touch. When preparing to receive, open your hips towards the direction you want to take the ball. As the ball comes in, turn out your toes, extend the receiving foot slightly forward, and watch the ball onto your foot, gently pulling the leg back to absorb the speed and cushion the ball. Like that. It's a little like catching a water balloon. You need some give to soften the catch. A little hop with a plant foot before contact doesn't hurt either, to keep you balanced. Let's see that again. Open the hips, watch the ball onto the foot, leg back to cushion, and off you go.